Hello friends, I am Dr. Rohit Kumar Agrawal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. Our topic is nuclear physics, in which we discuss the properties of nucleus. General properties of nucleus. Generally, there are 7 properties of nucleus. These are charge, mass, size of nuclei, nuclear density, mass defect, packing fraction, and stability of nuclei. Number 1. Charge. The nuclei, as we know that nuclei consist of proton and neutron. Proton are positively charged and neutrons are neutral. So, nuclei with positively charged, the charge of nuclide is given by XZA is ZE. The charge of nucleus is the charge of proton contained in it. Each proton has positive charge of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. The charge is Ze, where Z is nothing but the atomic number of nucleus. Next, mass. The total number of nucleons in nucleus, that is Z, is a proton number and A minus Z is neutron. Then mass of nucleus is nearly equal to the atomic mass unit and it is given by capital A. One atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. This much of amount of mass is equal to an energy, that is E is equal to mc square, and it is given by capital E is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27, where and c, that is velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second, which is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power minus 10 joule, which is equal to 931.48 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 6 electron volt, and which is equal to 931.48 million electron volt. Then size of nuclei. The nucleus is about 10,000 times smaller than atom. The empirical formula for the nuclear radius is given by capital R is equal to small r a 0 raised to power 1 by 3, where a is nothing but the mass number and r0 is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter or 1.2 Fermi. Then nuclear density. Nuclear density is nothing but nuclear mass upon nuclear volume. Here nuclear mass is equal to AMN, where A is a mass number and Mn is a mass of the nucleon, which is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Then nuclear volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r 0 raised to power 3 a raised to power 1 by 3 whole bracket raised to power 3, which is given by 4 by 3 r 0 raised to power 3 a. Then nuclear density is nothing but AMN upon 4 by 3 pi r0 raised to power 3 a, and which is given by, that is 1.816 into 10 raised to power 17 kg per meter meter raised to power minus 3. Then mass defect. Mass defect is generally defined as the amount by which the mass of particular nucleus is less than the total mass of its constituent particle. The mass defect is nothing but the loss of mass during the formation of nucleus of the isotopes. Consider an isotope possessing an atomic number Z and atomic mass number A. Then the atoms contain Z number of proton, Z electron and A minus Z neutron. Here let M, P, M, N, M, E are the mass of proton, neutron and electron. Then it is given by M dash is equal to Zmp plus Zme plus Z plus A minus Zmn, which is equal to Zmh plus A minus Zmn. Let capital M is actual atomic mass, then delta M, that is mass defect, is equal to M dash minus M. Then packing fraction. The ratio between mass defect and mass number is called packing fraction. Packing fraction means mass defect per nucleon. Packing fraction is used to measure the comparative stability of atom. It is given by P delta M upon A, where M, capital M, is mass of nucleus, capital A is mass number. Packing fraction can be positive or negative. It may be positive or it may be negative. If packing fraction is negative, then the isotopic mass is less than the mass number A between 20 and 200. And in that case, the mass get transformed into energy in the formation of nucleus. If the packing fraction is positive, then the element having mass number below 20. A positive packing fraction would means a tendency towards instability. This is not essentially correct for atom with lower atomic mass through. It should be noted that element with mass number more than 230 are radioactive and goes through the spontaneous disintegration. Then comes stability of nuclei. The following rules are useful for predicting the nuclear stability. Number one, nuclei with 84 or more protons are found to be unstable in nature, that is radioactive in nature. Nuclei that contains 2, 8, 20, 50 and 82 or 126 proton or neutron are generally more stable than nucleus which does not contain this number are generally called as magic number. Nuclei with even number of both proton and neutron are generally more stable than those with odd number of these particles. The area within which all stable nuclei are found known as belt of stability. Nucleus containing the proton ratio, that is neutron upon proton n to p, is less than 1 is less stable than nucleus with n to p ratio more than 1. Binding energy. Binding energy is the energy required to separate the atomic nucleus completely into two constituent proton or and neutron are equivalently the energy that would be liberated by containing individual proton and neutron into a single nucleus. It is defined as the energy required to supply the nucleus in order to break it into the well separated constituent nucleons. Binding energy of nucleus can be expressed as, that is, binding energy is equal to delta m into 10 delta m into c square, where delta m is mass defect. Then nuclear forces. A strong force acting between nucleons, that is protons and neutrons, in atomic nucleus that holds the nucleus together is known as nuclear forces. Since protons are of same positive charge, they exert a repulsive force among them. This can be result in bursting of nucleus. Hence, to hold them together, nuclear force is responsible. Because of attractive nuclear forces, the total mass of nucleus is less than the summation of masses of nucleons, that is proton and neutron. This force is highly attractive between nucleons at a distance 10 to the power minus 15 meter or 1 femtometer approximately from their center. There are some properties of nuclear forces. These properties are the range, number one, the range of nuclear force is very short. The force of attractive in these forces are attractive in nature. The nuclear force does not depend on electric charge. These forces are spin dependent. These nuclear forces are symmetric in nature. Thank you.